it's Miss Hick back for some numeracy. We are going to have a big discussion. What comes after 10? We can count to 10. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But what comes after 10? Does anybody know? Pick somebody that might know, and then you can say. So facilitators, keep going until you hit 20 to see if they know what comes after 10. Also, write the numeral on the board or the whiteboard as soon as they say it so they can see a visual. And then practice counting up 1 to 20, start at 10 to 20, and get them familiar with recognizing numbers 11 through 20 and see who already knows what comes after 10. This fun little video, the number song 10 to 20 could be also a good one to sing along with and getting them motivated. So after that group discussion, that singing, that dancing, then what comes after 10, you can assign them a number and then ask them to show you what that number might look like. So pick a number between 10 and 20. So I might get assigned number 12, and I might go and just ask, go and show me what 12 looks like, and see what they come up with. It's keep it free, keep it open, keep it flowy, so they can use, whatever they need to use to show me 12. They might end up writing the number 12, and they might end up doing a group of 12. Don't give them the answers, just see what happens. And if you have enough students, maybe you can do a walk the room, and every group of 2 students can do 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way up, right? If you're just doing this at home as a learner, maybe start with 3 numbers. Yeah, then finish the rest later on. All right, have a fun time doing this numeracy. I always love making numbers in math, and investigating, super fun. So I will see you soon, back with some more numeracy next week. Bye.